Hello everybody, Speedrun here, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to add these amazing warps where you can enter and exit your custom map just like that. Now I see you on the next step. Let's go ahead and learn how to add the warp here in the map. First, I need to create an entry on our NPC folder. So we have here scripted custom. I'm going to add a separate file for this. If I go down here, I can create something called import, and then we can type here npc slash scripts, and we can add your row.conf. Okay. What that is gonna do is actually to separate the concerns. Here we have script custom, which comes on rAthena, and now I can create one that is just for our server. Okay, this is the very first step. Let's do that. So our file has to call this. Let's duplicate this scriptcustom.conf. Okay, and right here we copy this name that we created, and now I can press F2 to rename and paste the name. Okay, so now we have made our own scripts conf, and here I can delete all and keep one just for reference. So I'll delete it here, and I'll delete it here. Okay, now we need to create a folder. So the folder I want to call your row folder. So let's create over here your row. All right, let's move this a bit to the side so it's better for you to preview. So now we have the your row folder. Okay, and here I'm going to create a text document. So let's go here, npc your row, and then inside your row I want to add I'll call it casino.txt, which is our casino warp. Okay, now I'm going to create a text document with this name. So file new text document, and then casino warp.txt. Okay, now we have linked a custom folder for our scripts. Let's add the warp, and to add the warp we need to have the location X and Y from our map. For example, I can check in different ways. Using in-game I can use /where, and you can see down here it says casino 3050. Casino 1 is the map name, and then the coordinates. I am also going to show you a second way to find out the locations, which is using Brawl Edit. And right here you can see the get edit mode, or pressing F5. When I hover over this get, or I can choose this instead, you can see down here it says cursor is at 3050 is the exact same location as the game shown to us. So when I add warps, I actually prefer using Brawl Edit instead of just browsing through the game and using that comment. Okay, so that portal, I want to go from here 3050 to over here. Let's say over here, okay, which is 49.6. Okay, let's go ahead and start adding this on our script. Okay, I have the script right here, and I need to open this casino warp.txt. The first map is called casino 1 in my case. Then I need a comma, and right here I need to add the location. So let's go back here to check it out. It says 3050 down here, you remember? Okay, so 30, and then another comma, 50, one more time, and then this time I'll add 0. This number right here represents how far you want the character to touch the warp and enter it. So for example, if I put 1, this means when I step here is already gonna enter the warp. If I put 2, so this means here is already gonna enter the warp. So I add 0. It really has to step right on the warp to enter this. Now we're gonna press tab. As you can see up here, I press tab, right? And I will write warp. Okay. Now I'm gonna press tab one more time. And this name cannot be match any other name. It has to be a unique name. For example, cas, for short for casino 1. Okay. I believe Ragnarok does not use this name anywhere else, so this mean is not gonna crash. And then I tab again. This time I'll put 0, 0, and the name of the map I want to enter, which is Casino 2. Casino 2, and now I need the location of the arrival point. So when I step on that warp, I'm going to enter on the, let's choose here. I'm going to pick 49.6 as our arrival point. Let's put here 49.6. Okay, now I can save. In game, we can try out to see if the warp show up. So I'm going to use at reload script. We wait for the scripts to reload. As you can see, it's reloading right here. Okay, as you can see, it's reloaded and our warp is showing up successfully. Once I step into the warp, I am out here exactly where I choose it. Okay, now I want to add the exit warp from this map to the other map, and that's very easy. What I need to do is to now create another line called Casino 2, which is the map where I am right now, and then pick another exit point. Let's add here /where, and here we'll say 49.2. Now I click tab and add the warp tab. This time I'll call cas2 tab 0, 0, casino 1, and I'm going to figure out where I want my character to be at. So going back to Brawl Edit, I want my character to be out here. I'll pick 40 2847 as my location. So let's add this there, 2847. Let me double check. Yeah, that's good. There's another way to reload the script, which I'm going to show you right now. So if I use @reload npc file, you can see that is asking here, please enter the name. So I'm going to add @reload npc file and space. Then I'm going to copy this location, npc your row. Remember, the slash have to be regular slash, not backslash. Okay, your row, and then the file casinowarp.txt. You can see I reloaded only this script instead of reload every single other script, which will take a lot longer. Now I can exit this map right here. As you can see, we have successfully add an entry and exit to the map. As well, if someone wants to enter this way, I can also add one right here. So /where is a 2550, the X and Y. I can get the very first one, duplicate. This time I call it cast3, and here will be 2550, and the exit will be exactly the same place. So if I press the upper arrow, I can reload again, and now we have 2 entries and 1 exit to this map. Yeah, that was the tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Speedrun staying here, and peace.